Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. And today in this particular video, I am going to discuss how you can translate documents with batch translation, one of the very interesting feature of Amazon Translate service, right? So what is this particular service, how it works, how you can integrate with some other AWS services like AWS Lambda and all, and using this particular very popular machine learning service, how you can build a complete data pipeline which is having some real-time scenario based application also. That all these things I have already discussed in my previous videos, right? If you want to know the detailed explanation, you can go through the link given in the description box. In this video, I am going to discuss how you can translate documents from one language to other using this Amazon Translate. Okay, so this is the one that is in this video. You will learn using neural networks powered Amazon Translate batch translation feature to translate documents such as Word or PowerPoint or Excel sheets while maintaining the format of the documents. Okay, that is, format will not change, only translation from one language to other language will happen. Okay, right? And the steps what we are going to follow, that is setting up S3 storage, where we'll be basically uploading the document in another S3 location. The document after the translation it will be written, so that S3 storage setting is required as the first step. Second step is creating a batch translation job, and then last step is download the translated document, right? Simple 3-step process I am going to discuss, right? So before moving ahead with further discussion, you can check this particular link to explore more about Amazon Translate batch translation feature, right? So here you will be getting the list of the availability regions where this particular service is available to use, right? And where you can use this kind of things, maybe for large collection of text from social media or HTML documents with one single API call. If you want to translate that time, you can use this particular feature. So all these things you can explore from this particular document, right? So without any further delay, let us directly move to AWS Management Console. Okay, right? So first I will go to S3 and I will create a bucket for this particular discussion purpose. So basically we'll be keeping our document which has to be translated in a particular location of S3, and after translation we'll be writing that particular translated document also in S3, right? So both things is required. So for that, create bucket, okay, demo translation data, right? Some name I am giving random name, and then here we are simply going to create the bucket, right? Now always remember this, that where you are going to keep your actual document which has to be translated, okay, that should not be root bucket. Inside that bucket you can create some folders, and in that folder you can keep your document which has to be translated, right? But not in the root bucket, right? So I will create a folder. Okay, so here I will give the name input data to be translated. Okay, right, some name I am giving. Okay, and then here I will go to create folder, right? So here in this particular bucket, one folder location is created where we'll be keeping our file which has to be translated, and then we are creating another folder, and instead of input I'll be giving output data after translation. Okay, right? And then here we can create the folder. So in this output data after translation, it will be containing the translated document, right? And here we'll be uploading one document. Okay, so let me first upload that. I will go to add files, and here I am having a trees document. Okay, that is a document which is written on trees, right? So let me first show you that also. So here my file is uploaded. All right, you can see here the file is uploaded. Okay, right, and then here our document looks like this, that is trees. Okay, So here you can see that it is having bold and underline. Underline is also there, and then here trees are significant for life on earth. Without trees the earth will get dead and dry. So all these things are there. Even the figure is also there. So different scenarios like formatting, images and text, all these different scenarios are present. So we'll be seeing how AWS translate, batch translation is translating this document. What will happen with the format, what will happen with this particular image, all these things we'll see, right? Now here we need to go to AWS Management Console back, and here I will go to Amazon Translate. Okay. Now earlier when I was discussing real-time translation, I used this particular feature. Now we want to do batch translation, so we will use this particular feature, right? We'll click on batch translation, and then here we'll create a job. Okay, I will give the name translation data demo YT. Okay, source language. So source language is English, as we have seen, and we want to convert this whole paragraph, whole this document to Bengali language, suppose. Okay, any language you can choose as per your requirement. Then import data. Okay, here we need to put the S3 location, folder location, where basically our document is stored. So we need to select the folder, right? And this is the one. I will go one more step, and this is the input data to be translated. Here actually our data is present. I will select that particular one. What is the file format? So you see here different file format. This particular batch translation supports. One is Word, one is Excel, PowerPoint, HTML, plain text, all this, right? So my document is Word document, so I'll choosing that. Output data. So in which location we want to write the data. Okay, so that is basically in this particular folder. Okay, output data after translation. We'll select that particular one. Right here the location is coming, and then here we need to give the permission to this particular Amazon Translate service so that they can access the source and the destination bucket. Okay, so here in IAM role we will be create a new IAM role, and here IAM role is input and output S3 bucket. Only these two S3 bucket location access we want to give. I can give the name as demo access YT. Okay, some name I am giving, and here I can simply click on create the job, and our job will be started creating. Okay, right? So it will be taking some time. Let us wait for that. So see here the job is done, and now the status is in progress. That means this particular Amazon Translate batch translation service is basically translating this particular document, whatever we uploaded in S3 location, from English to Bengali, right? So it is in progress. As soon as the process will be completing, the status will become completed, and then we can go to destination S3 location, and we can take or download our translated document, right? So let us wait for some time. Maybe with time you can refresh this particular page also. It is in progress, right? So it might take some time. I will pause this particular section, and I will again restart the video whenever the status will change to complete. Okay, and see this particular status is now completed. Okay, so that means this translation is completed. All we need to do, go back to S3 location, and then here this is particular one, that is demo translation data, right? And then here if you go, and this is our output data after translation, if we go back to this location, we will be getting two type of files. Now let's go to this particular folder, and then here you will be getting bn.trees.docs. Okay, so this particular one is converted Bengali text. Okay, that is what document. BN stands for Bengali, right? Now just click on download, right? And then here it will be downloaded. Let's open that particular one, and let's see how it is translated. Okay, so see here, that is trees. Okay, gach, right? So see the format is also same. Underline is also there. Here also underline is there. Here this is bold. Here this is bold, right? Trees are significant for life on earth. পৃথিবীতে জীবনের জন্য গাছ উল্লেখযোগ্য. Without trees, the earth will get dead and dry. গাছ ছাড়া পৃথিবী মৃত ও শুষ্ক হয়ে যাবে. That is exact translation. Okay, that is text is properly translated, format is not changed, and if you go below, See, the image is not at all altered. Okay, that is basically this particular translator will not hamper the format or images and all. Only all it will do that language it will change from English to the desired language. That's it, right? And I hope you understood how to work with this particular Amazon batch translator, right? If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.